Vechain at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves from the highs we made above the 0.034. And on today's update video, I will be discussing Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above here on the daily chart, and above all discuss the 4-hour time frame where I'm observing a 5-wave structure to the downside. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we saw an aggressive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.34 mark. Then we started a pullback to the downside, and on this pullback over here, I'm watching to see whether Vechain is going to continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.02589 and the 0.02121, which is the yellow target area here on the chart. And that is an area that we have not fully maximized, and I believe that it's now time for the bulls to get back into the market and give us a reversal, give us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs in a massive push that should easily give us a break above the highs we made above the 0.034 in the next coming hours. But if by any chance the bulls don't turn up, and maybe we continue seeing this selling pressure over here, and maybe at some point we also lose support on the Fib level 0.78, that is above the 0.02121, flipping that key area back into resistance, then I will be watching for the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88, above the 0.01967 to continue holding and give us a bounce. But if by any chance we lose that line of support, then a more bearish case scenario will be unfolding, where I will expect a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April above the 0.01771 as my next target area. So that is all that I'm expecting on the daily chart. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure where I have been terming this initial movement over here as the formation of the wave 1. Then we saw a bounce in the formation of that second wave, another drop in the formation of that wave 3, a bounce in a wave 4, and I believe that whatever is playing out at the moment is the formation of this wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low we made in the formation of that wave 3, and also doing the area that I'm paying attention to is the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01764 as my next breakdown target area. So in case we lose key areas on the daily chart, then the 0.01764 is my next breakdown target area. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.